friends, welcome back to my channel Shades of Chennai. This video is the continuation of my previous video Swasam Bookart. This Swasam Bookart is in OMR opposite to Aravind Theatre or Apollo Cradle. In my last video I told about the overall collections available in Swasam Bookart and also I have given an offer code. So do check that video. I will also post the link in the description below. Today we are going to see about kids book and stationery items available in Swasam Bookart. They have amazing collections and many unique items for kids. The various types of books for kids are touch and feel book, embossed book, story books, activity books, value added stories, reusable coloring rolls, board books, wipe and clean books, wooden toys, science kits, Tamil kits, phonic kits, multiple story books, flashcards, jigsaw puzzles, bilingual story and conversation books, English and Tamil rhymes books, origami books, magnet books, mandala arts, Hindi story books, and huge pictorial books, mythological books, moral stories. They also have characters like Pepper, Bruno, Bubble, so that when kids study these books, they try to adapt the good habits through these characters. They also have box sets like Tinkle, sticker books, carousel books, Tenali Raman books, Panchatantra books, Arabian Nights, and even charts. They have low level racks so that it's kids friendly. Now let me explain about the unique items which I saw here. Cubes. This is very unique and I saw it for the first time here. It's mainly for hand-eye coordination to improve the cross-motor skill. Kids usually get bored while reading a book, but these are innovative forms to introduce to them and to develop an interest towards reading. They have varieties of cubes like about birds, vegetable, transport, and even about scientists. It's available in Hindi also. This can also be used for gifting purpose. This is carousel books. These are like pop-up books but used for role play. These can be used by two kids so that they can enjoy the story as well as play with it. This is reusable coloring roll. I have also mentioned this in my previous video. Usually kids have a habit of coloring or writing or scribbling on the wall. To avoid this, we can stick this reusable coloring rolls on the wall. This is available in two forms, either as a plain paper or a printed sheet, so that they can either draw or even color in it. These colorings can be wiped and reused again, so we can use it multiple times. We can also save the wall from our kids. Next is bilingual books. It comes in the form of story, conversation books, and even in flashcards. Yes, in flashcards also we can see both English and Tamil right up in it. This can be introduced to the kids while we are reading the stories because we can read to them in both languages, Tamil and English. Next is sentence build-up books. It's also available in English and Tamil. They have various levels, so according to the age of the kids, the book can be introduced. This can also be used for gifting purposes. Science kits. These science kits are available from 3+ years to even teenagers. Next is phonic kits. This can be introduced as homeschooling at the early ages to develop the cross-motor skills. These kits keep them really active and engaged. Next are box sets. Sets of books together. It contains a series of books so that it can be used for gifting purpose. For example, if it is read it yourself, they have set of series so that the full set can be purchased and be gifted to a kid on a birthday. Mythological books like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Hanuman, etc. are available. All-in-one books are available even in Tamil, and Tamil writing books are also available here so that a kid can be trained very good in writing. This is Tinkle Buddy Box. It contains a card game, jigsaw puzzles, board games, activity books and few more. They also gift wrap our items on requirement. This is the most innovative product I saw here. Smart Reading Pen. This pen can read a book. Yes, you heard it right. It can read our book. It contains innovative recordable stickers ideal for any book reading. It comes in a set of 6 to 7 books.
Listen and repeat. Practice with your friends.
Those books are already recorded, so once we tap on the sticker and we show it in any page of the book, it can read it. They have also given us 800 innovative recordable stickers so that we can stick it on any book which we have and record our own voice by reading the book. And once done, it will get recorded so that when we tap that particular sticker, it can read any page of that book. So when you visit the shop, please don't miss to see this pen, Smart Reading Pen. Reading a book helps us to gain knowledge and keeps us busy. So gift your loved ones with their favorite book and make them happy. They also have all kind of stationery items, from a 3 rupees pen to a Parker pen, notebooks, gums, art supplies, pencils, everything, oil paints, acrylics, sketch pens, crayons, color pencils, A4 bundles, brown sheets, transparent sheets, files and whatnot. Hope you all liked my video and it was useful to you all. Visit the shop and tell me your feedback in the comment box below. Like, comment and share my video with your friends and mainly to the book lovers. If you're watching my video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and view all my videos. Thanks for your time. See you all soon in my next interesting video. Bye.